Well, I don't know what to say. I'm a little speechless. Not expecting this. An old farm that had torn down. Absolutely nothing left except from some sheet metal in a hole. So just going around the perimeter. Was not expecting this. Kind of speechless. But let's take a look at what's in the hole. That piece of metal right there, I'm gonna pull it out. I already pulled it out and looked at it, but if you know what that is from that side, look at this. Oh my God. I don't even know what to say. My first buckle. Wow. It's got the two hooks, all three hooks actually. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what to say.